Hello everybody, so we're just testing the Insta360 X3, the one that I bought off my friend Richard. Cheers Rich for allowing me to buy this, and I really don't know what I'm doing with it. It's going to have to take a little bit of a steep learning curve. It's a bit windy today, obviously I've come out on Saturday, Rich, and it's a bit cooler and a bit breezier, but we're heading over the fields. So we'll just have a quick look at the 360 and see what it looks like. Okay, so that was a little test showing the camera from a certain angle. Just basically see what it looks like. That was in 360 mode. I'll try a few other options and see what it looks like. There's a car coming. Perfect opportunity for me to get a car. Actually, yeah. So we've got the car. See if that's caught the car as it's going around. Hopefully it has. Less wind up here, so that's good. So it's probably a good way to test the mic. See what the mic actually sounds like. See if it sounds good or not. Park. There is a way hook, right, so I'll show you. Right, there's a crosser coming down here, and there's a woman over there, and she's already been a little bit scared. Let's see which way he's going. Yeah, he's going straight on. Bit naughty. Right, yeah. That would make some kind of impressive shot. I like how the wind's actually gone now, so that's good. Hey? Yeah, sun's out now. So yeah, we'll see what shots I can make out of those few bits I've just done. I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. But we'll give it a try, see what it looks like. And I'm going to switch off now because there's kids and adults coming on bikes. So cheers everyone, thank you and goodbye.
Not bother, you want some snap. Yeah.
That Crick's is a bit quieter today.
Not warm, is it?
Now, so this is the Cricketers Arms. It's a very popular pub nowadays. Lots of people sit outside and have a drink, which is good. And you've got the park next to it. So yeah, I will end it there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.